Make the most of your shore excursion with a visit to the Kohunlich Mayan Ruins. Travel in comfort and style in a private, air-conditioned vehicle, ensuring a pleasant journey through the rolling hills and tropical rainforest of Lower Quintana Roo with stunning views of the beautiful Bacalar Lagoon along the way. It was a significant Mayan city during the late Classic period. The ruins feature impressive structures, intricate carvings, and a famous Temple of the Masks. At the site, explore the elaborated planned and engineered city with pyramids, citadels, and plazas, and admire the massive and well-preserved sun god masks. It covers 21 acres, including plazas, residential buildings, and ceremonial platforms. Journey through the rolling hills and tropical rainforest of Lower Quintana Roo, passing by Bacalar Lagoon. Visitors can explore the ruins and appreciate the Maya's architectural and artistic accomplishments in a lush tropical forest setting. Immerse yourself in Maya history and enjoy a fully personalized experience. Click the link in the video description to book your unforgettable adventure today.